Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to post on Poppo Live. Right, so if you want to make a post on Poppo Live, it's very easy. So let's get started. First step to take is, of course, open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. Next, there are actually two ways to post on Poppo Live. So the first one is from your profile. All right, so I have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then I'll show you how to do it. So let's go. Now once you're on your profile, you are going to have to click on your username at the top, and then if you look at the bottom right corner, you find this post icon right there. Once you click on it, you get two options. You get the option to post the video or to make to post the moment. So we'll select the post the moment option, and then we just have to go ahead, enter a caption, and then click on the plus button to select our picture, right, or photos. So once that is selected, next thing you want to do is to click on post at the top right corner, and then you have your post. So let's go ahead and see the second way, which is from here. You just have to click on this discover option at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on that, again at the bottom right corner, you find this post icon there. Just click on it and you get two options again, to post a video or to post a moment. Click on the post a moment and then select your photo from your device by clicking on the plus sign, and then enter a caption. After that, click on post at the top right corner. So guys, this is actually how you can post on Poppo Live. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.